The next evening had finally arrived. Previously, we saw David carrying burdens no one could see, pressure, fear, questions about the future. He wasn't looking for trouble, he was looking for relief. Then a message appeared. Come out tomorrow. You will feel better. And now, tomorrow has come. Hello, Restoration Community. Welcome back to the Body and Soul Restoration Series, a journey of understanding, hope, and restoration. Together, we are learning, growing, and restoring lives, one conversation at a time. Not every pressure comes with strength. Sometimes it comes with laughter. Sometimes it comes from friends. And sometimes it changes everything. This is episode 3, The Power of Peer Pressure. As David approached, he could hear them laughing. For a moment, he smiled. Maybe this was what he had been missing, a place to belong. David, we thought you weren't coming. Good! The gang is complete. David smiled nervously. David, why are you acting differently? We are your friends. We are just having fun. Or are you scared? The words sounded harmless. But inside David, another battle had begun. He didn't want to disappoint them. He didn't want to seem different. He didn't want to be left out. Come on, David, just relax. David looked at his friends. Then he looked away. Was fitting in worth compromising what he believed? This is the power of peer pressure. It doesn't always shout. Sometimes it laughs. Sometimes it jokes. Sometimes it simply makes you feel that saying no could cost you your place in the group. And little by little, the desire to belong can become stronger than the courage to stand alone. Do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character. 1 Corinthians 15:33. People around us can influence our choices, values, and direction in life. If you've ever felt pressured to do something just to fit in, remember this: you do not have to sacrifice your values to gain acceptance. The right friendships will never require you to become someone you are not. There is wisdom, there is strength, and there is restoration. As David walked away that evening, one question kept echoing in his mind. Why does everyone seem to enjoy it so much? The more he thought about it, the more curious he became. And sometimes, curiosity can open doors we were never meant to enter. Little did David know that one question was about to change everything. Thank you for joining us in episode 3 of the Body and Soul Restoration series. Today, we learned that the desire to belong should never be greater than the courage to stand for what is right. But David's story isn't over. Will David resist his curiosity, or will curiosity lead him somewhere he never intended to go? Find out in episode 4, Curiosity and Risk Taking. If this episode blessed or challenged you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to the Body and Soul Restoration series. Turn on the notification bell and become part of the restoration community so you never miss an episode. Until next time, understanding substance misuse, restoring lives, one conversation at a time.